I'm going to show you now how easy it is to remove a front bumper on this 97 Chevy. Get the 5 screws. It hooks right there on each side for this bumper filler. And remove that piece. Bumper filler out of the way, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I believe they're 18 millimeters for the top side. Same thing on the bottom. 1 behind the tow hook, 2, 3, 4. Remove those, all 8 of those. You remove all 8 of those bolts, this bumper should come off. Can confirm, 18 millimeters, snug. Bolts are out. Now it should just be as simple as doing that. So if you like the video me showing you how to tear apart a front bumper on these old Chevy trucks, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my last video where I took the grill out. It's even easier than the bumpers, so check that out and you'll learn that these trucks are super simple to work on and you should probably make it your next project.